Once upon a time, in a small village called Willowbrook, there was a young girl named Elara. Elara loved stories about magic and adventure. Every night, she would read under the candlelight. One evening, she heard a strange sound outside her window. Elara opened her window. The wind whispered her name. Elara! Her heart raced. She stepped outside and saw a glowing path in the forest. Without thinking, she walked toward it. The forest was alive. Trees moved gently, as if breathing. Strange flowers glowed in blue and purple light. Elara felt both afraid and curious. Suddenly, she heard footsteps behind her. A tall figure stepped out of the shadows. It was a man with silver hair and a long cloak.
"Welcome, Elara,"
he said.
"I have been waiting for you. My name is Kaelen."
The man said,
"The Whispering Forest chose you to save it. A shadow is spreading, and the forest will die unless you act."
Elara's eyes widened.
Me? But I'm not a hero!
Kaelen gave her a small crystal.
"This will guide you. Follow it to the heart of the forest."
Elara took the crystal, feeling its warmth. She stepped deeper into the forest. The path was not easy. Strange creatures watched her from the shadows. She crossed streams, climbed over rocks, and walked through dark tunnels. Her heart beat faster with each step. Finally, Elara reached a large clearing. In the center was a crystal tree glowing with life, but the tree was fading. Black vines wrapped around its trunk. Kaelen appeared.
"You must give your voice to the tree."
What does that mean?
Elara asked. Kaelen smiled, sadly.
"It means you must speak your truth to save the forest."
Elara took a deep breath. She closed her eyes and spoke of her dreams, fears, and hopes. Her voice filled the clearing, and the crystal tree shone brighter and brighter. The vines began to fade. The forest was alive again. Kaelen bowed.
"You have saved us, Elara."
Elara smiled. She knew her life had changed forever. She stepped back through the glowing path, returning home. Back in her home, Elara wrote her story in her journal. She knew someday she would return to the Whispering Forest, but for now, she smiled, closing her eyes, dreaming of adventures yet to come.